Oh, I'm gonna lose.
Oh! Uh-oh, Carlos is starting to get some wear and tear. Oh! Carlos is about to get bodied once again.
Hey guys, so we're really excited to be working with Firework TV. They have this really cool thing where, look, I'm gonna turn the phone and the video doesn't turn and you reveal more of the video, and it's really rad for skateboarding. We're making some really fun original content, so go check it out at Firework TV. The purpose of Braille is to expand skateboarding all over the world. So we're working with Firework TV to give away three brand new complete skateboards from the Braille shop. All you have to do to enter is go to the link in the description of this video. Click that link, make your account on Firework TV, and make a video of you explaining why you deserve the boards. Use the hashtag first try and the hashtag Braille skateboarding, and we will choose 3 lucky winners to give a brand new complete away. So check it out, win a complete skateboard. Let's go, Braille Army. Link in the description below.
What are you wearing?
I'm ready to go. Purple Cobras.
Player, dude, straight up.
I gave you the idea to wear the headband earlier today, and a few hours later, here you are.
People did in the comments too, and I was like, first rule of journalism, give the people what they want.
So we're here today for the world's, I forgot what the video is called. We are here for the most famous Ripstiks in history game of skate.
Yikes.
Yikes.
Oh, I'm gonna lose.
So I am the Ripstick god, as you guys may have seen in the world's most technologically advanced Ripstick. I didn't win, but I clearly have the most style.
You seem too powerful with those cool wheels. Like you can just go anywhere.
I really can. On our lineup today, we have world's most technologically advanced Ripstick. We have the XC Sharker, which we did in a Skate Everything Wars with Lance and me and Aaron. And then we have this, which is a regular Ripstick that is hacked with a skateboard deck on top.
This is gonna be hands down the hardest video I've ever been a part
For
of.
you?
Yeah.
You three are gonna be playing. I will be filming and reffing. In typical videos like this, you will be swapping out. It's gonna go in a cycle. So you guys Rochambeau for the order in which you go in, and you also get to choose which one you wanna start with. And then if you mess up, you have to swap boards, and if someone lands it, you all have to do the trick on that Ripstick. All right, give it a Rochambeau, brothers. Wow.
Great minds think alike, but I'm going.
Carlos, you're first.
That sucks.
And Fetty, you're last.
Good.
So Carlos, what would you like to choose?
I'm gonna choose the easiest one.
Which one is the easiest one?
This right here.
I don't know, man.
What do you choose?
All right, Dan, you get the Ripstick with a board?
No, this is the only one I rode so far. I have never ridden that one.
It's just a plain Ripstick, dude.
I like this one.
And Fetty, you get the heaviest one.
Since I have a disadvantage, I'm gonna try to just ride down the bank.
This thing is super like loose.
Yep, it's had better days. All right, Carlos. Clean. Easy.
Oh, I'm gonna lose for sure.
Kind of feels like surfing.
One.
I've never surfed, but I envision that's probably what surfing would feel like.
You look like a surfer right now.
Thanks, dude. Out there getting paid.
Radical, bro.
Going down the blue wave right here, bro.
All right, Carlos, up next. So you heard Fetty, right? No repeat tricks.
I'm gonna try to drop off this. But
Good luck.
I'll try it. I don't know if I can ride this thing.
Go fast and commit.
Bond!
I told you I suck at ripsticking.
All right, Dan, you get that one.
All right, right here. I have the Night at the Roxbury song stuck in my head. Is that normal?
Dan, you gotta save that for the end, dude. You gotta play smart here. Now you lost your trick. All right, Fetty.
I'm gonna do a kickflip.
That's tough. All right, Carlos, you're back on that one.
Might not be the ripstick guy, but I try.
The thing I love about Ripsticks is that they're so quiet.
It's gonna suck.
I hope you fall again.
Yeah, thank you. How do you guys do that? Literally.
You just gotta stay balanced, man.
I think I have weak ankles or something. I don't know.
Well, I'm the king of weak ankles. Go ahead, Dan. Show them how it's done. Yeah.
That is not fair.
Do you see my filming steez at these now?
You're kind of changing the game.
Like, dude. No, if they had cool wheels that went like 5 miles per hour faster than these, I could definitely like film
I
skate
feel
lines
bad
in
for
the street with
I
these.
feel bad for the penny board. It's just not usable anymore.
Not at all. Are you okay?
Yeah.
Looks like you hurt your knee.
It hurts today.
Okay, so in the last episode, I requested that you guys make me Ripstick God graphics, send them me on Instagram. You guys really didn't disappoint. You guys made some incredible things. I got so many, I saved them all. I'm gonna continue posting them on my Instagram at GabeCrew01. So if you guys wanna check those out or make me some more, send them to me on Instagram. I would love to see them.
You just gotta rip it, bro.
Gotta ripstick it, bro.
See? Stay on it.
Okay,
See,
good.
Carlos, I think what you're doing right now is just not embracing the rip. As soon as you just decide that you can rip, you can rip.
I'm sticking it, so that's part of the ripstick.
Rip it, bro.
Rip it, bro.
Look at it, it's the Zexy board.
Wow. All right, Dan, what you got?
I'm kind of scared, I don't know. 3 stair.
He thinks that board is all fun and games.
He's dead.
I have not really ridden this thing on any sort of drop.
I would just say proceed with caution, but full send.
I just gotta rip it. Like, I got the, wait a minute. This is the Zexy board. I got the bandana. Prophecy.
I'm actually extremely impressed that you even did that. All right, Fetty, what you got?
I'm gonna ride down that small bank.
Oh! Money. You're making the Ripstick God proud. You got this, Los Ritos. Uh-oh.
Oh, okay.
Wow.
I mean, it's not annoying that you learned something new about me. It's annoying that it's hard to do that.
That was so easy.
I was so nonchalant about that.
No, non-challenge? Board slide? All right. No! Wow! First try. You're ripping, bro. Let's go, Carlos, full send. Oh! Letter!
What just
Surprised me
happened?
so much. You got the soft landing. You landed on the ramp and rolled down. It was nice. Letter!
I almost died.
Oh!
I can't be too heavy on the front foot.
You gotta be very light on the front. Let's go, Carlos. Down the 3.
Yeah, I'll do that.
Oh! All right, Uzi, you're up. Uh-oh, Carlos is starting to get some wear and tear.
What?
It's your turn on offense.
Okay, I'm gonna go on flat ground right there.
You're confusing me.
Right here, watch.
Whoa! He did a body burial. That is amazing. Well done. Good luck, Fetty. Oh!
I held on.
Wow.
Wow.
Yeah, I don't have high expectations for this one.
Oh! Body!
I suck at ripsticking, dude.
Carlos's worst nightmare.
If you ever just want to see Carlos get beat up in a video, just make him ride a ripstick all day.
This one's weird because it seems so safe and I haven't seen, like I haven't experienced where it's sketchy yet.
True.
So like I feel like I could get in over my head one of these times.
Wow.
He's a freak of nature sometimes.
Dude, he's really good at it.
Right, low-key, I think he's an alien, to be honest with you.
I'm gonna say I'm the Ripstick God and you're the Ripstick deity.
Deity?
Oh! Got a little wobbly right there. Dude, you and I should do a photo shoot like on Ripstick thrones together, dude. That'd be
On
sick.
Ripstick King,
The deity.
and I'm just the jester, the royal fool.
you're our knight.
Oh, no.
Oh! Let's get it, Dan. Oh! Ooh. I'm gonna call a rebate on that. Good. Carlos, believe it or not, this isn't that hard. Did you see Aaron get bodied trying to drop in?
I told him it was easy and then he dropped in and tried to do a power slide and
This was at Fremont, right?
No, this was here a few weeks ago. Oh! Aaron, I'm sorry! There you go. Oh yeah! Well done, Los. What now, Dan?
if he does it on that, then I can't do it on this.
I'm gonna ollie up that.
Oh yeah. Oh! He finally did it! No, you're not taking a letter, Dan. You're not taking a letter. No! Do it, Dan. Letter for Dan. Letter for Fetty. Oh! Body! Oh, sorry.
Escalates so quick when Carlos. Which one?
Be smart with this.
That one again? I just was on that one.
Exactly. You gotta land a trick to move on.
Manual the box. That was a lot harder than it felt. I mean, look.
Ah!
Hi. Oh! Letter! Ah!
afraid now, dude, at this point.
That's her. Uzi, you have K. Fetty and Carlos, you guys both have A. All right, Dan.
That middle quarter right there.
What you gonna do? Ow!
How did I do that before?
Woo! Carlos is about to get bodied once again.
I have faith in you, Carlos.
Oh! Letter for Carlos! Let's go, Dan. Yeah. Oh!
Oh, this is something I feel like I can do. What is wrong with me, dude? I cannot do this. Guess we have to do a ripstick persistence very soon.
Okay, Kelly. Well done, Carlos. You played valiantly.
I tried.
Letter! Dude, how did you do that? It's impressive.
I'm gonna go up the ramp, come back down.
You're playing the strategy game here. You know, people, that is a lot harder than you would think.
That was hard.
Yeah, I know. Oh! Down this?
Yep.
No. Full send! Oh! Oh, no, no, no. You got it, Petty? Wow.
Yo, I'm kind of scared on this one.
You got it, boy. It's only switch drop in. You got this. Wow. I think you do that. If the camera is shaky now, it's because I'm walking again, not coup-wheeling. Whoa! All right, Fetty. Show them how it's done. I don't know about that, man. Switch roll off. Oh! That's a T for Fatty. All right, brother. A chance to close it out on the rip skate.
Should I do that rock to fake it, or should I try a flat ground trick? I mean, flat ground would be cooler, but I don't know if I could do anything like that. Ah, like I want the wheels to turn. I think I could do that.
Full send, brother.
Wow. I think I got to take the letter.
What? You're not even about to send it, bro?
No,
Nigel's not even in this game, and he'll send it.
No, because knowing me, I'll slip out, whack my head on this bar, probably go to the hospital. I didn't do it, but I sent it though. Kinda.
All right, so that's a T for Uzi.
I'm gonna go up and like a nose pivot on this.
That's kind of just a fancy kick turn, but if you want to, if it looks different enough, I'll give it to you.
We call that a nose hunker-doodle.
A nose hunker-doodle. I think we'll give it to him. I think that was good.
Oh, that was sick.
All right, Dan, you have a chance to end it right here, brother.
Who's the mini ramp? Ah! You're gonna try to steal my trick.
Oh, Battle Royale, last trick. Who's gonna do it? Oh!
You can't go to the
Body! What you gonna do, Uzi? Oh! Oh! Wow! You got one more try. Oh! You're over leaning.
Yeah,
I don't know.
What do I use now, that?
Sharker.
All right, tray flip right here. I've never tried it. Here we go, let's do it. Hey, actually might work.
Wow. Oh! Oh, censor that, dude. That's disgusting. You're overthinking it, brother. You got this. All right, you're turning your body too much and not taking the board with you. You got to take the board with you before you turn your body. Please land this and end this, man. You gonna take the letter? You gonna take the letter, brother? Oh my gosh. Dude, he had a look of disgust on his face.
I'm going for the role of deity.
You got this, Dan. You can stay alive if you just do it right now. Just ride it. Oh! Wait, you're out?
Game, I'm using Aaron's technique.
You're out?
I'm saving my life.
You're done?
Yes.
Wow.
Good game. Congratulations, Fetty. You are the winner.
A deity would never
You are
quit.
the Ripstick deity. Okay, wait, hold up. I have a request now. You guys just make like a really cool design of me, Uzi, and Fetty with our Ripstick royalty
Dude,
crowns.
we're like the Ripstick Knights of the Apocalypse.
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, we need a fourth?
We're like the Ripstick Rangers.
What is it?
The four horsemen of the apocalypse. We're the 4 horsemen of the Rips.
But we need a fourth.
We need a 4th? I think Nigel could be the 4th. Nigel's good at it.
Yeah, Nigel.
Nigel, that's it. Anyone, make that graphic, send it to me at GabeCrew01 on Instagram. But until then, there's some videos right there. Go ahead and check them out. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below. And this channel is about skateboarding. So go to BrailleSkateboarding.com, get skateboarding made simple, learn how to skateboard right now is your time.